This video outlines the process for registering for setting up My Agency Profile. My Agency Profile is available to agency managers to maintain and view agency information directly with Qantas. Please note, there are two login options available: Agency Login and Manager Login. The Manager Login, however, is the one that the agency manager will need to use to access My Agency Profile. To log in, agency managers need to use their access code and also the manager's password, which would have been set up at the time of Qantas Agency Connect registration. You can find your access code in the registration confirmation email we've sent you at the time of your QAC registration. Once your agency manager has logged in, they can view their agency profile by clicking on the hyperlink located in the header. We'll now go through some of the functions available on My Agency Profile. From here, the agency manager can reset the agency password and manager password by selecting the Reset link. We're now going to move through and look at the various tabs and functions available on My Agency Profile. The first tab, Agency Details, allows the agency manager to make a request to update their IATA, TIDS or ARC number and the agency name or chain. Doing this will send a request to Qantas Agency Connect for the team to action. Moving down to the Update section, all agency details can be updated. It's important to keep your details up to date and check them regularly for accuracy. Moving on to the second tab, Consolidator or Ticket Centre, will allow you to tell Qantas how your tickets are issued. If you use a consolidator or ticket centre to issue your customers' tickets, you can add their details to your agency profile. Clicking Add will allow you to enter multiple consolidators or ticketing centres and their IATA or ARC numbers in the profile. Agencies can add multiple consolidators or ticketing centre IATA or ARC numbers. Providing the details of your consolidator or ticket centre will help them perform actions or attend to requests on your agency's behalf. The PCC and Office ID tab allows the agency manager to view and maintain the status of their PCCs for each GDS. To update the PCCs and Office IDs, simply add in the relevant information. To remove PCCs that are no longer in use, simply click on the Deactivate button. If you have a large number of PCCs and Office IDs, you can use the search function to find the one that you're looking for. It's important that this information is continuously reviewed and updated, as it enables you to service your customers' bookings on Qantas Agency Connect if available. If your agency is registered for the Qantas channel, your GDS or technology partner will validate your PCC information.